So is the Fetch Rewards app even worth it? Find out now. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, this video we talking about Fetch Rewards, all right, and whether or not it's worth even your time to download the app and actually use it, all right. Fetch Rewards been around for a while, several years, and I recently just started using it. And what it is, it's a free app that you download on your phone, and anytime you shop, whether you go to the grocery store, you go out to eat, wherever you can get a receipt, right? You can actually scan these receipts with your phone. Every time you scan a receipt, you get a certain amount of points, right? Now, once these points add up, all right, and you get up in the thousands when it comes to the points, then you can actually redeem these points for gift cards. But I like the Visa cards because a Visa card is just as good as cash, right?
You can see I just got done scanning all these receipts, earning these points. And then, hold on, let me go to my phone real quick. See that right here, over 13,000 points. So it's adding up.
So here's the thing. Is it worth it, right? Can you actually benefit from using the Fetch Rewards app? Now the answer is, in my opinion, is hell yeah. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because first of all, no, you won't get rich off the Fetch Rewards app. But I do realize that you can get a lot out of the app if you are consistent and you get in the habit of using the Fetch Rewards app. Here's what I mean. When I first started using Fetch Rewards, I would casually scan receipts here and there. Oh, you get 25 points here. Oh, 100 points here, 35 points. I'm like, oh, that's cool, right? But I would only do it every once in a while. Then I got into the habit. I even got my wife, whenever she comes home from the store, she automatically just gives me all her receipts, right? So now, we are both in the habit of anytime we get a receipt, even when we go out to eat, go out there, scan it. You know what I'm saying? It's very easy to do. It literally takes a minute to set down a receipt, take your phone, open up the app, scan it, boom, get your points, right? Now, one thing that I think a lot of people be sleeping on when it comes to the Fetch Rewards app is actually just casually opening up the app whenever you're about to go shopping and just look. They always have like deals going on, right? They always have little specials like, oh, buy one Gatorade and get one free. Or they'll say something like, buy these potato chips, right? And you get, 400 points today, right? And you start to realize like, oh, damn, these points will add up, right? And those are easy ways not only to get free stuff, but to build up your points that will make it a lot quicker, right, to start redeeming your points. And I mean, you can start getting anywhere, $10, $50, and so on. You could just do that all the time, right? And I tell people it's worth it because why not? It's so simple to use. And you also can hook up your Fetch Rewards app to your Amazon, right? To your Amazon account. And most people shop on Amazon, right? So you can actually get points every time you shop on Amazon. And now they also got Walmart and any other places that you shop online. You can actually hook up your email account to your Fetch Rewards, and it automatically will scan, online receipts that you got sent to your email, as well as Amazon and Walmart. So without a doubt, Fetch Rewards, it won't get you rich by itself, but it is definitely worth it in my opinion. But you want to use it like all the time, like get in the habit of using it. Now, if you do want to see how it's possible to take Fetch Rewards, right, the little free app, and turn it into a huge monthly recurring income, right, where you can make some real money, you want to watch this video right here, right now.